The patented Kelvin 17 multi-tool is the perfect tool for your home. It combines the most essential household tools into one easy-to-use compact device, and it easily fits into your pocket, so you can always have a toolbox worth of utility wherever you go. Kelvin 17 includes a hammer, 3-foot tape measure, liquid level, a built-in LED light, and a screwdriver with 12 extra bits for easy access. Portable and convenient, Kelvin 17 will keep you prepared for the toughest of household jobs.
As a mom of 2 young kids, or if you're just a mom of any kid, you know how often you are changing batteries and building toys that say some assembly required.
I come here and honestly I have no idea where anything is. So typically I keep this box in my hallway storage, and it is our box of batteries, some extra iPhone cables, and the Kelvin 17s.
So here are a few reasons why the Kelvin 17 is so great. First of all, it's all encapsulated into this one piece. There's a top leveler, there is a measuring tape, and it goes pretty long. It's about 39 inches. There's also a little flashlight, which is good for when you're building like furniture and you have screws in the back corner. This is magnetic, so it stays on. It's really secure, it's never fallen off, but this is the best part right here. So it turns 90 degrees, so if you need to get into a hard spot, it's super, super easy. I really dislike the Allen wrench tools that you get with, IKEA or other furniture sets that you buy. This is so much easier to use, and you've got that nice grip right here. It also comes with a hammer, and I don't know about you guys, but I built a lot of IKEA furniture in my day for my kids, and they always have these things that you need a hammer in, and it's just an extra step to go get, and you have this. You literally have nothing to worry about. Okay, so right now I'm gonna finish building this IKEA chair, and then I need to change the batteries for Mr. Avocado guitar, so I'm gonna do that really quick and show you guys how easy it is. I need to put in 2 of these guys, and then I have my Kelvin 17. I already have the right tip. It is the Allen wrench tip, and I'm just gonna see how it stays in place, so I can even just really just go like this, and there's literally no effort. And it makes it so much easier to use than the IKEA tools that you are given. I really don't like using those. So this chair is all built, and let's move on to Mr. Avocado chair, or avocado guitar. I have some batteries in the back, so I need to open this guy up, which requires me to change the tip. Close this for now, open this up. Alright. So that was super easy, and now I'm going to place these batteries off camera and then close it back up. So this is the kitchen playset that I built for my son. As you can see right here, there are 2 different screw sizes, and thanks to the Kelvin 17, I didn't really have to worry about that because there are all these different head sizes for screws, and also I had to use the Allen wrench as well. So whether you are a busy mom like me and constantly changing batteries for your kids and building different pieces of furniture that require a bunch of tools, or if you're just a homeowner or renter, this is honestly the best tool to have, and so I highly recommend you guys go check it out.